Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. You can use these levels as a reference for deciding on your entries and exits. So I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the past price action in daily time frame, it was continuously in a very strong bullish trend, and from this level, which was around 2065, it started going on a bearish side and it came up to the level of 1678, and from here it started moving on a sideways. Now when we look at the current price action from the level of 1677, it started continuously going on a bullish side. When we look at the movement style also, it went on a impulsive wave, then pullback or retracement, again went on a impulsive wave, then retracement. Again currently also you can notice that it has gone on a impulsive wave, and I am expecting a pullback from this point, and we have already seen a similar to a pullback. Let us wait and see if it is going to pull back up to this trend line or the support line. Once this pullback is over, we can again expect a impulsive move to start. So every time it makes an impulsive move, you can notice that it is always going above the previous highs. So it is on a very healthy bullish trend. So overall, when we look at the price action, this was the highest and this was the lowest, and current price action is trading within this high and low, which means that it is only making a retracement. It is not making a new low or it is not making a new high. Let us draw the Fibonacci levels and check how much it has retraced. So I have drawn the Fibonacci levels from top to the bottom, and this is a bullish trend line from where the candlesticks have taken support every time when it retraces. When we look at the bullish trend, it went to the range between 61.80 and 78.60, and it has pulled back on the bearish side. The level between 78.60 and 61.80 is considered as a valid retracement level. So we are seeing a retracement. I am hoping it to retrace up to this trend line or the support line, which is going to be approximately 1807, or even if it falls further, next level of support is going to be around 1771. Normally before a retracement, we have noticed a consolidation being made here. So we are seeing a similar price action being repeated over here. So if the M pattern or a consolidation is going to complete, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. And as you already know, current Ukraine and Russia war tension is actually creating the bullish volatility in this commodity pair. Once the Ukraine issue is under control, we can expect the retracement to start. Until then, we can expect a consolidation or even little spike on the bullish side based on the news on the war issue. Currently, the price action has retraced to the level of 50%, which was around 1876. Let us wait and see if it falls further. So even if the price action goes on a bullish side, this whole area between 2014 and 1975 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance levels, because previously also we have seen this to be acting as a very strong resistance level. Only when it breaks this level, we can expect a next level of 2075 to be reached. So this is the current resistance level, and this is the current support level for the current price action. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the trend in 4 hours time frame also, I have drawn a trend line over here. So the price action has taken support on this trend line. It is in a very strong bullish trend, and it couldn't break the resistance level of 1923, which is around 61.80 level in Fibonacci tool. So it is sort of consolidating within this trend line and the resistance line, and it is forming into a triangle pattern. Triangle means consolidation. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So when we analyze the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is going nowhere, it is only moving on a sideways. Let us mark the Fibonacci support and resistance levels. So the values within these blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels, and currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance level of 1928 and the support level of 1876. And when we look at the retracement level, it has retraced 50% of this bullish trend over here. Let us wait and see if it can retrace up to the 61 level or up to the 78 level. For this retracement, it has to break this trend line or the support line. Wait for it to break this trend line, then we can go on a bearish side trade. Currently the price action is still trading on a bullish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. I've drawn the resistance line over here, and we have the higher time frame support line, which is from the hourly time frame. It is actually acting as a very strong support, and currently when we notice the price action, it was on a very strong bearish trend and took support on this trend line, and it went on a bullish trend, took support on this resistance line, and it is sort of consolidating within this support and resistance levels, and the ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional movement. For the directional movement to happen, we have to have a clarity on the war tension between Russia and Ukraine. Until then, we can expect a consolidation or sudden spike on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within these blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has tested this resistance line and it is on a retracement. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this trend line or the support line. But still we have the higher time frame support line over here. It has to break the level of 1878 in order to continue its bearish trend. And to go on a bullish side also, it has to break this higher time frame resistance level of 1923 to start its bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it has taken resistance at the trend line from the 30 minutes time frame and formed a similar to a triple top pattern. Then it has made a bearish trend reversal, and then it has made a consolidation, then made a bullish trend reversal. Again I have drawn a resistance line or the trend line for 5 minutes time frame. It has taken resistance on this trend line and currently it is on a bearish retracement. So the price action in 5 minutes time frame also, it is under a consolidation, trading within the resistance line over here and the support line over here. It is moving on a sideways. Let us mark the Fibonacci support and resistance levels. So these are all the levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1910 and support level of 1906. Currently it has made a similar to a double top pattern, which means a bearish trend reversal. If the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to retrace up to the previous low of 1893, then to consolidate or further continue on its bearish trend. And also we have the higher time frame trend line or the support line, which is around 1889. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.